When most people choose flower essences, usually they start from the place of how bad they feel and that they don't want to feel that way anymore. So, for example, maybe you're anxious about something that's coming up in the next few days, and you choose Mimulus, which is great for anxiety and could work really well for you. But what if you flipped the script? And instead of saying, this is what I don't want to feel, what if you said, this is what I do want to feel? What if you were to say, this is what I intend for my life, and this is how I intend to feel about it? So for me, for example, in that same situation, I might say, I want to feel more self-confident and to feel like what I do might be effective. In which case, I might use larch instead of Mimulus, or in addition to Mimulus. See how that works for you. Maybe it'll be better.